Hey, Travis. What are you doing? Well, they're not black silky hens, but they are small hens. And I think Travis likes them. Hey, Travis. Do you like them hens? How you doing, little Baby Red Jr.? This Baby Red's baby. Lost Baby Red earlier this year. And it just broke my heart. My little one-footed Rhode Island Red. And this is her daughter, Baby Red too. Now this is Angelina over there. Hey, and there's Travis. He finally got a name. Look at pretty Travis. Hey, Travis. He's a pretty rooster. I'm gonna have to cut the fur back from your eyes. It's growing right in front of your eye. And this is Angelina. Hi, Angelina. It's kind of a cold, windy day. Look at Travis flirting. He's trying to get him over there to get that little piece of corn. Go get you some, Travis. Oh, he's so pretty. Look at that Travis.